What's up, guys? Tim with Live Case Break here. We got a single box, 16 Spectra football. Two-man divisional here. Mike and JT just drafted out divisions. Good luck, fellas. There we go. Mike, you have the NFC East and West and the AFC West and South. JT, you have the NFC North and South and the AFC East and North. There we go. See low number. Nice patch. Okay, are these all in order? I can't remember. We gotta pull the base card off the bottom. Alright, Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Little NFC West action for Mike E. And that Fitz is numbered out of 25. 2 out of 25 on the Fitzgerald. Right underneath that is another one for Mike. Ezekiel Elliott. Next Era 2-color patch. Cowboys NFC East. 19 out of 25. 2 cards out of 25 to kick it off. Third card is an auto for the Chiefs, Kevin Hogan, AFC West. That one is Mike. 3 for 3, boy. Whew. Kevin Hogan, aspiring rookies, and that is numbered 155 out of 199. And the last one is Marquise Lee for the AFC South. Mike. My God, Mike just swept that pack. Monumental memorabilia, Marquise Lee. That's 127 out of 199. Marquise Lee. Alright, pack 2, JT. Let's see if we can pull you a hit here. It's not going to happen with this card. Another one for Mike. Vested Veterans, DeMarcus Ware. That is a blue 1 out of 25. Man, crushing it with these blues. That's an awesome card, too. DeMarcus Ware, autographed, game-used jersey. AFC West for Mike. Next up, we've got AFC South. Alan Hearn, Sunday Spectacle. 6 for 6. For Mike, that is a game-used blue 24 out of 60 on the Hearns. Can we break the streak here? It's a jumbo. It's for the Titans, AFC South. Oh my God. 7 for 7. Hopefully the rest of the break goes the opposite way. JT, maybe, you know, a couple cards. Mike, you can give him a couple cards, right? Derrick Henry for the Titans out of 99. That's the Alabama kid, right? Derrick Henry. And who do we have? We've got Eric Decker. JT is on the board. On the board, Eric Decker. Base card out of 99. 72 out of 99. AFC East for JT. Alright, JT. A sign of things to come for you, hopefully. Got an orange. I don't think I've seen an orange yet. Edgar and James for the Cardinals. NFC West for Mike. Right back to the grind here. Oranges are at a 3. Damn. 3 out of 3. It's not a super, Mike, but it'll have to do for now. Edgar and James orange parallel. Underneath that is a Jameis. The Tampa Bay Bucks. NFC South, right? NFC South, yeah. JT, that one's all yours. Jameis Winston. Game used blue should be out of 60. 81 out of 99. Well, that blue's out of 99. The other blues were out of 60 and 25. We got our auto underneath this. JT with 2 hits. Let's do this card first. It is Blake Bortles. AFC South for Mike. That is the blue that's out of 60. 6 out of 60 on that Bortles. You got a base and you got a Winston relic, JT. And now you have your first autograph patch. Cody Kessler for the Browns. The young rookie QB. AFC North. Blue ink, blue parallel, 2-color patch, 17 out of 35 on the Kessler. There we go. There we go, man. You got 3 cards. Here we go, last pack, last 4 cards. I'll save the auto for the bottom. All right, the Atlanta Falcons, Devontae Freeman. Devontae Freeman, NFC South, right? Falcons, NFC South. JT, 138 out of 199. Devontae Freeman. We've got a Connor Cook for the Raiders, AFC West for Mike E. Jumbo Momentous Materials, that is 84 out of 99 for Mike E. You got the Kessler Super? Wow, nice. 250, huh? Not too shabby. And Fitzgerald. Cardinals, NFC West for Mike. That is numbered 61 out of 99. And the last card is an auto. Let's see who it goes to. Blue ink, Keith Marshall. There's no... Redskins. NFC East for Mike. Man, that was a one-sided affair. 59 out of 99. So Keith Marshall, 59 out of 99 on the Redskins. There you go. Let me just double check I got that right. JT had Falcons, NFC South. Browns, AFC North. Winston, NFC South. And Decker, AFC East for JT. And Mike. Ridiculous. NFC East. NFC South. Or NFC West, sorry. That was harsh, JT. Yeah, AFC East, AFC South. Cardinals. NFC West. AFC South, AFC South, AFC West. South, West, East, and South. Yep. JT, I hope I pull you something crazy nice out of your 2 boxes, man. Mike, you already have a stack from earlier. Perfect. 6,000 feedback and he still hasn't paid. Ain't that something? Okay, let me take care of Ben real quick. Just figure out if I need to credit him something. Okay, Ben, you want to switch 2 spots. Fine here. 2014 draft Asia and a Telkuve. Okay, so you got 120 credit. Draft Asia is 75. The other is $47.99. $122.99. Yep, that's perfect. We will cover the $3. Let me make sure I take you out of rookie. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, so Ben is going to do a draft Asia. Apparently I didn't have draft Asias out. Where do I have them? As soon as I find that, I will be right back, guys. There it is. Good old Telkuve. Thank you, Corey. I appreciate it, man. You are up third on the personal box ripping agenda. Alright, so there's 6 of those. We got Telkuve's 2010 Chrome. So we transition into personal boxes for the evening. Okay. JT, give me a number on your 2010 Chrome. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 through 11 on the 2010 Chrome, JT. And the other box you got was... I would take 350. Wasn't that not even autographed, Mike? Or no, it was. It was autographed. Never mind, it was autographed, yeah. Totally forgot. Okay, Jeff, I got your message, by the way. We're going to break it. We're going to break that streak right now, JT. Box 4. And then you got a 16 Chrome Hobby. Left, middle, right. Which one do you want? And Corey, let's see. Corey, you got a Memories and a 16 Museum pack. Nice, dude. Hopefully we pull you something filthy McNasty. Going left on the Chrome, okay. There's JT. So Ben, you'll be up next. I'm going to let these marinate right in the background. There's your archives choices. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Bowman Draft, I pulled out half a case. So 1 at the top, 6 at the bottom. So you can just go ahead and keep an eye on those out of the corner of your eye and decide which one's winking at you while we do JT's. Actually, you can see him on the other camera. So there you go. Alright, good luck.